Hello and welcome to the ZangaBox YouTube channel. In this video I will introduce you to our ZangaBox Chrome extension, how to install it and the basic features that it is. So what exactly is the ZangaBox? ZangaBox is a tool, Chrome extension that gives you direct access to Celigo's integrator.io's JSON API, helping you efficiently copy data, read data, and use other data for your integrations. So how to install the ZangaBox? Well, it's a Chrome extension, so you can find it in the Chrome Web Store. And in the Chrome Web Store, you can search for the ZangaBox. Here we go. Pressing the button to add the Chrome. Add the extension, and then to make sure it's always on your toolbar, you can pin it, which will really help you to find it. So I'm going back to Celigo. If we open integration, select something, and we can open the integration details. Open the ZangaBox, it will show you the underlying JSON information. You can see it as tree, you can also see it as the JSON object itself. It will load whatever page you are on, or if it's a list page, it won't try to load. So in case if you're on the home screen, it won't open anything. It reuses your Celigo credentials without going through any other service or ZangaBox, data. So all communication goes directly through integrator.io's Celigo. Some quick examples. So if you go to your NetSuite, import, here you can see I've got something set up, addresses, there's a customer record. Open the ZangaBox, I can see my imports, I can see the path and many settings, I can see my record type is customer. Below here there's some buttons that do actions. For example, I can make some changes to the name, and then I can do a put, which will save that. So that's it for introduction. Have fun, enjoy, figure it out, and make sure to subscribe to stay updated. Thanks. Bye-bye.